In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your AnyDesk account quickly and safely. If you no longer need the service, or you simply want to close your account and remove your profile, this guide will walk you through every step in a clear and simple way. Before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your computer. You can use any browser you like, but Chrome is a fast and reliable option for this process. Once Chrome is open, go to the official AnyDesk web portal by typing my.anydesk.com/v2 into the address bar and pressing enter. This will take you to the AnyDesk account management page. Now you'll need to log into your account. Enter your email and password, then complete any verification steps if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll be inside your AnyDesk account dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon or profile name. This is where your account settings are located. After that, click on My Profile. This will open your personal account details and profile settings. Next, look for the Options section. Click on Options to reveal more account management actions. Inside the Options menu, you should see the Delete User Account button. Click that option to begin the account deletion process. AnyDesk will likely show you a confirmation message or warning before continuing, because deleting your account is usually permanent. Carefully read the message so you understand what will happen next. Then tick the box that says I understand. This confirms that you are aware of the consequences of deleting the account. Once that box is selected, click Delete to finalize the process. After you confirm, your AnyDesk account deletion request will be submitted, and your account should be removed according to AnyDesk's account deletion process. At this point, your profile will no longer be active, and you will have completed the steps needed to delete the account. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete an AnyDesk account in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.